have the square root of 5.4444. This dot 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 means it's continuous like that. Let's use x is equals to the square root of everything, which is 5.444 continuous. So here we can square both sides to remove the square root. Squaring both sides, we are going to have x squared is equals to, the square will cancel out the square root. So we are going to have 5.444 and so on. So here, let's name this equation 1. Looking at this, x squared is equals to 5.444 continuous. We can do something to it. Let's multiply it by 10. Multiply 1 by 10. So by multiplying the equation 1 by 10, we are going to have 10x squared is equals to, now at this right hand side, if you want to multiply by 10, since we are having a single zero, just move the decimal point one time. So we are going to have 54.444 and so on. If you are multiplying by 100, it means you move the decimal point 2 times. So we are going to have 544.444 and so on. So this is equation 2. We have turned this into a simultaneous linear equation where we have equation 1 and we have equation 2. So to do this, let us subtract 1 from 2. That is 2 minus 1. So 10x squared minus x squared is equals to, the right hand side we have 54.444 and so on, minus 5.444 and so on. It's going to be, for this left hand side, 10x squared minus x squared is going to be 9x squared is equal to, firstly, since we are having the same decimal, the decimal will cancel out. Then 54 minus 5, that is 49. So we can divide both sides by 9. So 9 will cancel out 9. We have x squared is equals to 49 over 9. And here we have to find x, because x is the square root, not x squared. So to do this, we can easily take the square root of both sides. The square will cancel out the square root, and we have the square root of 49 over 9. So here we have x is equal to, now the square root of fraction, we can split it into the square root of 49 over the square root of 9. So finally, x will be equals to the square root of 49, that is 7, over the square root of 9 is equals to 3. So that is the answer for the square root of this given value.
We're solving every mission, fraction, graphs, situations.